Hi everyone, my name is Izzy.
And I'm Dante. At School of the Nations, we learn to treat everyone like part of one big family. We try to listen, be respectful, and help each other.
We also learn about the world and all the different people in it.
We learn to enjoy the things that make people special, like their food, clothes, music, and the way they live. From young students like us to the big high school students, we all learn that even small actions can make a difference.
As nations, we learn that caring about others is about what we say and what we do. We want to make oneness visible.
That means our school is a place where being different is something to celebrate. One special way we do that is through our Nations Festival. The Nations Festival is an event where each class picks a country to learn about during the year. We discover its food, music, clothes, and stories. Then we have a big celebration to share everything we learn.
Being a well-wisher of humankind means showing love, respect, and unity. And that's what being a nation student is all about. Make oneness visible.